Hi everyone, my name is Chef Dharma, and today we're going to be making the fudgiest, the dreamiest fudge brownies. We're going to start off with our sugar. We have two types of sugar. We have some brown sugar and some white sugar. Brown sugar is what's going to help make these as fudgy as possible. Brown sugar is a mixture of some white sugar and some molasses, so it has some chew in there already. So this is going to really add to the fudgy, dense, the texture of the brownies. It's really going to add to the fudgy texture of the brownies. I'm going to add in some melted butter. And I'm going to use my hand mixer to cream everything together and make this mixture one. Now our sugars and our butter are mixed together and incorporated. I'm now going to start to add in our eggs. I have 4 eggs. I'm going to add them in one at a time. Okay. Now that I'm done mixing in my eggs, I'm going to start to add in my flour and my cocoa powder. The interesting thing about cocoa powder is that it's something called hygroscopic. So it's actually afraid of water and any sort of liquid. So when I'm adding this in, it might just start to kind of stay on top of the surface and might not fully incorporate at first, but as we fold, I'm going to scrape around the sides of the bowl down to the bottom and then bring it on top, and I'm going to keep doing that around and around the bowl. It'll slowly get fully incorporated. In here we also have our flour, and because flour has gluten in it, I don't want to overmix these brownies. I know that I'm done mixing when there's no more streaks of dry ingredients and everything just looks like one big fudgy batter. As you fully incorporate your flour, you're gonna feel your batter get a lot thicker, and it's a little bit harder to mix, but just keep going until you don't see any dry streaks in your batter, and then you're done, which I am. So my final step before I'm ready to put it into the oven, I'm gonna add in some chocolate chips. I'm gonna give one last fold to make sure that all of those ingredients are fully mixed in. And then I'm going to be ready to pour it into my pan.